I trusted you, I gave you everything without a complaint. You never had to worry, 'cause I was always where I'm supposed to be, waiting for you, loving you as I should, being there for you 'cause I wanted to. But why do you look at me different? Talk to me like I don't matter, like I'm not the one here for you. I'm tired of trying. If you don't wanna be here, you don't have to be here. Tell it like you should, so we can finally move on. One-sided love, one-sided love. You keep breaking me down. One-sided love, one-sided love. I'm tired of holding us now. That's killing me inside, quietly exhausting everything in me. One-sided love, one-sided love. I go back and think things through. How did I lose you? When and where did it all start? I thought I was keeping up. I thought everything was alright. Why can't you see? You're all that I have, but you still pull away from me, like I'm not the one here for you. I'm tired of trying. If you don't wanna be here, you don't have to be here. Tell it like you should, so we can finally move on. One-sided love, one-sided love. You keep breaking me down. One-sided love, one-sided love. I'm tired of holding us now. That's killing me inside, quietly exhausting everything in me. One-sided love, one-sided love. I never asked for perfect, I only asked for truth. If your heart is gone now,